What if your visitors could actually talk to your table? Or instead of roaming around the table, they could ask direct questions. For example, hey, who got the best grade in science? Show me the top 5 packages at this salon. What if your table could answer them? That's FlexTable Ask AI for you. And today, I'm going to show you how it turns any data table into a chatbot your visitors can actually interact with. Let's dive in. So here's the scenario. We're looking at a table that lists all the packages offered by a beauty salon. Now, imagine a user comes in. There are so many packages. It's easy to get confused. And that's exactly where FlexTable's AI steps in. For example, suggest some packages within a $150 budget. FlexTable's AI instantly analyzes the data inside the table and shows only the information the user actually needs. Want to use it? It's easy. First, head over to your WordPress dashboard and navigate to FlexTable, then go to All Tables. From there, select Table or create a new table from scratch. Then, from your selected table, head over to the AI Integration tab. Before anything else, you'll need to connect to an AI provider. Don't worry, you'll find a detailed step-by-step video linked in the description below that walks you through the entire setup. After completing the AI configuration, head over to the table where you want to implement the AI feature. Now, first look into the section heading. This is the title that appears above the Ask AI box. By default, it might say Ask AI, but you can customize it to match your brand's voice, like, got questions? Ask away. Or you name it, the floor is yours. Now comes the placeholder text. Instead of generic texts like, type your question here, use examples such as, which product sold the most? Why does this matter? Because people need inspiration. When you give them a starting point, they ask better questions, and better questions lead to better conversions. After that, you can also customize your button text. This is the text on the action button. The default is Ask AI, but you can change it to anything you want. No hard feelings. Choose what feels most natural for your audience. Last but not the least, Live Preview. And right here in the back end, you'll see a live preview. Every change updates instantly, so you can see exactly how your visitors will experience it before you hit publish. Along with Ask AI, you'll find another powerful AI feature in FlexTable, which is AI Table Summary. This feature gives your users the flexibility to generate a short, meaningful summary of the data table, so they can get a quick overview at a glance. Feeling curious about it? Click the I button above, or check out the full tutorial video on AI Table Summary linked in the description below. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials like this.